Oh my God.
Warning in effect until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected.
I'm gonna fucking smack you.
Where? Portions of north central and northeast Ohio, including the following counties: in north central Ohio, Ashland, Knox, and Richland. In northeast Ohio, Holmes. When? Until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall. All of the forts of the Mohican River are starting to respond from the rainfall overnight, and minor flooding is expected over the next couple of hours. Additional details at 8:19 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain fell overnight due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lexington, Loudonville, Fredericktown, Belleville, Waterford, Butler, Perrysville, Gann, and North Liberty. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Holmes, Knox, and Richland. The extended